Choosing one of the best cameras for streaming is essential if you are serious about going live online. You have decided to take up vlogging, or you have created a Twitch account and are not sure where to start. A basic laptop webcam and a microphone can do the job, but the visuals and audio will be of limited quality compared to the best streaming cameras. Traditional webcams are great for streaming from a computer setup and are usually most affordable, but there are other types of cameras to consider too. In this video, I will be showing you 5 different devices that you can use for live streaming. So do watch the video till the end and let me know in the comment section which device did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Sony ZV E10. Sony's vlogger focus mirrorless model is great for streaming. Sony ZV cameras are specially designed for vloggers who want a well-spec'd video setup without spending a fortune. The ZV E10 steps forward as a mirrorless alternative to the fixed lens ZV-1, giving you a host of great video features as well as access to excellent E-mount stable of lenses. Having the built-in 3-capsule mic, which is a great backup and means you have always got a decent option if you go to mic packs in. It's easy to set up, and the ZV E10 is very good for streaming thanks to the USB-C connectivity, and the footage is right at the quality it needs to be. Some may have a problem with this, like lack of proper optical stabilization, but as a streamer you are likely to have the camera locked off anyway and probably don't need to worry about it, but those who worry about it need to go for the other option. Buy this amazing camera for it streams via USB-C and sophisticated mic setup. The disappointment here is fiddly Sony menus and rolling shutter when panning. Links are provided in the description. iPhone 15 Pro Max, the best camera phone used for streaming. Exactly a proper camera or a webcam intended for streaming, but the smartphone cameras are catching up in quality, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max camera is perfectly good enough for social media streaming. Using an iPhone is also the easiest way to stream content directly to an app like Facebook, Instagram, or Discord, and great when filming on the go. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is a great option and one of the best camera phones on the market right now. The 48MP main camera is impressive, and depending on whether you choose to shoot through the front camera or using the triple rear array, then you are guaranteed to get a good quality stream. Just to make sure you have your phone set up on a smartphone tripod or gimbal or something stable enough to keep it steady. The camera improvements on the iPhone 15 Pro Max compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max series are only incremental and won't make much a difference to your streaming. So we would suggest going for the 14 series if you get for a much lower discount. Otherwise, if you have money to spend, you can go for 15 Pro Max. Buy this amazing device for its Apple Pro RAW images, which are great quality and for stills and thumbnails, and amazing quality camera array. Sony A7 Mark III, a premium camera for 4K Ultra HD streaming. The Sony A7 Mark III is one of the best mirrorless cameras on the market, used by millions of photographers and content creators due to its lightweight body, excellent 4K video capabilities, and 35mm full-frame sensor for stunning imagery. It also works great as an option for streaming with the ability for both record and stream high-quality footage at the same time, but you will need to connect it to a PC or laptop to do so through the HDMI port. Sony advises using a third-party HDMI to USB video captures device to stream from a Sony A7 Mark III, as the device can overheat when used for long periods of time. This can be done without a capture card and simply by using HDMI and USB cable to connect your A7 Mark III to the computer, and it also comes with a free image editing webcam software installed. Buy this amazing thing for it can change lenses for the desired effect, record and stream simultaneously, and extreme high quality video you'll get. Razer Kio, a great streaming camera for flattering light. Many streamers and TikTokers find themselves buying a right light to enhance the scene and add that polished glow to your face. Well, the Razer Kio webcam has a multi-step LED built right in, and this of course earns this webcam brownie points too right off the bat, and it continues to impress with the full manual camera controls and full HD 30fps video that looks excellent. If you take the resolution down to the HD 720p, then you can up the frame rate to 60 fps, and if you want the full HD 60 fps, there is a more expensive Razer Kio Pro offering this, and a Pro Ultra model that's even flashier. If you are the kind of a streamer who likes to tweak and fiddle with their image until you are happy with how it looks, then Razer Kio will let you absolutely go to device. Buy this amazing device for its built-in ring, which is very light, full camera control through app, and video looks excellent. Logitech C92, the best streaming camera for most purposes and comes at a great price. The Logitech C92 is a top choice for streaming camera for most users. It's not the cheapest webcam that the Logitech offers, and nor it is the most advanced. It hits an optimal sweet spot in the middle to provide the ideal balance between price and functionality. It can capture full HD 1080p video at 30 fps or HD 720p at 60 fps, and what's more, it comes with its own tripod for easy mounting too. It's super easy to set up and use with a good autofocus and light correction that automatically optimizes the image to make you look your best. You can easily alter these functions in Logitech software if you choose to. While you can't attach an external mic to the camera, you don't have the built-in dual omnidirectional microphones that can record audio in excellent quality. Buy this device for its incredibly easy to use, great quality video and audio, and lots of mounting options. So these are the 5 amazing online streaming devices that you can buy. So which one do you like the most? Please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.